Hello guys, welcome to the video. This is vlog 16. This video is about it's all about me doing the exercise, boxing workout outside, and then later on we're gonna do some barbecue, tonight. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you that as well, our preparation, and then cooking as well. The ambience quite nice doing barbecue, like very nostalgic. Gumingo, so we're trying to make it as authentic as we could. So also naku ipakita niyo ni mga dili na sila normal nga duaan, mga gipang symbol no sa una Gundams, Gun Plus. So yeah, probably I'm gonna show you how I assemble some in the future, probably next video I guess.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, boxing ako kay para parte sa kadadlaw ng workout. Umano na lang. Magkuha ako. Hoodie ko kay mainit yung araw. Mga ngayon tingnan natin. 18 degrees Celsius yung temperature ngayon. 18. Karo inita diri guys. Nung hoodie ko kay ang inita gyud sa Magaw. Pero siya 18 degrees Celsius ang Pero wala rin sa tuwa, pero init na ni para lamo diri. Okay guys, loob na ako, tapos na. ligpit ko muna to, tapos balik na ako sa loob. What are you wearing? Bruno, what are you wearing? Hey, you wanna play? I don't know. Guys, we decided to have some barbecue later on, so we already marinated some meat earlier. All we need to do now is just to put them on the stick. Probably Henry and the others will help me as well, so yeah, get it done quick. Yan na guys, tapos na. Natuhog na namin lahat. kaming apat na yung tutulungan nito yung tuhog. So it only took us 30 minutes. So it's done now, ready for grilling. Okay guys, nasa labas tayo ngayon. Yung temperature 9 degrees Celsius, so ang lamig. Tapos mahangin din. So yeah, very very cold. Yung grill si-set up pa namin. Ito yung setup namin sa labas. Yan yung para sa mga luto dyan. Saka ito yung special sauce na barbecue, pang barbecue. Pareho to sa Pilipinas. Butang special sauce Filipino style. Papaday ka, may kusinero.
Oo. May amo doon
Ang pawas bingaw. guys, nagpaabot po mi sa muang mama. Maabot karong taon-taon mga 10ish. At the moment ag oras kay 9:55. Oh, yeah, there you can see it. So yeah, by 10 past 10, like 10:10, abot na siya. Timing to nga maluto og barbecue. Nostalgic yung baho. Paong ng kayo. Using water to put out the fire to avoid the meat from burning. I'm gonna lock this. Perte. Murag barbecue yung sa tuwa pa no? Pare, barbecue. Bill Myra. Muna, finished product. Pinoy style barbecue. Yung manatanan, na-prepare na mo ang barbecue. Nagbasiyo na mga onami soon. So, yeah. Okay guys, again, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, again, see you later. Bye.